Exploring flavor. The meaning of layered with savory. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a deliciously descriptive phrase you might encounter in the world of cooking and food reviews. Layered with savory. This expression paints a picture of complexity and depth in taste, something that goes beyond the simple. Let's unravel the layers of this phrase together and understand why it's used and what it truly means. Whether you're a food enthusiast, an aspiring chef, or just curious about English expressions, this video will enrich your vocabulary and perhaps even your cooking. First, let's break down the term savory. Unlike sweet, sour, bitter, or salty, savory is a taste that's hearty, rich, and appetizing. It's often associated with foods that contain proteins, salts, and herbs. Think of the comforting taste of a warm soup, the rich flavors of a roasted chicken, or the appetizing kick of a seasoned vegetable dish. Savory is all about depth and satisfaction in flavor, a key player in making dishes moreish and satisfying. Now, on to layering. In the culinary world, layering refers to the technique of adding ingredients and flavors in such a way that they build upon each other, creating a complex and nuanced final product. It's not just about having different elements in a dish but about how these elements interact and enhance each other. When a dish is layered, each bite offers a symphony of flavors, where different notes come to the forefront at different times. Combining the two, layered with savory, describes a dish that boasts multiple levels of savory flavors. It suggests that the food has been carefully crafted with ingredients and techniques that enhance its hearty, appetizing qualities. This phrase is a high compliment in culinary terms, indicating a dish that's complex, satisfying, and rich in flavor. It's not just one-note savory. It's a cascade of savory experiences, one after another, making the eating experience truly memorable. To illustrate, let's consider a few examples. A lasagna can be layered with savory, due to its combination of rich meat sauce, creamy bechamel, and umami-packed cheese. Each layer contributes a different savory note, making the dish complex and delightful. Another example could be a slow-cooked stew, where the long cooking time allows for the development of deep, savory flavors from the meat, vegetables, and herbs. Every spoonful reveals a new layer of taste. Understanding and using the phrase, layered with savory, enriches our culinary vocabulary and appreciation for food. It highlights the complexity and craftsmanship behind creating dishes that offer an array of flavors with each bite. We hope this video has not only expanded your English language skills but also inspired you to explore and enjoy the depth of savory dishes. Until next time, happy cooking and happy learning!